I have no idea what I'm gonna put in there, but whatever, we'll figure it out. Hi, hello, welcome to Beater Box Friday. I'm SB Mitch. If you like what's going on here, remember to hit the subscribe button or smash it. You don't really have to though, but it's right down there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey, pals. So we got lucky and Soul Supremacy released some beater boxes last Sunday. I managed to get 2. Here's the first one. Like I just said, these boxes come from Soul Supremacy, soulsupremacy.com, at Soul Supremacy on social media. This box is just a little tidbit guy. I know you guys don't really like seeing boxes unless it says, whoa, I spent $50,000 on a mystery box. Ugh. This box was $350 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $400. That's clearance, that's the counter. I put a name on it because I'm weird. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna break down the entire box to show you how much potential profit there is versus how much I paid. And also keep in mind that the prices that pop up on your screen, that's not how much they're for sale for. If you wanna know how much they're for sale for, you should go to my website, sbmitch.com, today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to view them. I guess that's open the box. Interesting. All right. These low tier boxes are fun to open. I don't care what anybody else says. I love getting these things. So to get this out of the way first, we have an ADIDAS. It's a size 10 Crazy Explosive in a very beat up box. Almost forgot my gloves. This pair is a dead stock pair of Crazy Explosive. Zzz. Yeah, there you go. Some kind of blue shoe. It's dead stock. It's got boost on it, so that's the thing. I mean, dead stock Adidas isn't, this probably has like no value, but whatever. It's a dead stock shoe and it's a size 10. There you go, there's your first shoe out. In a beat up box, a size 10 Crazy Explosive. Hey, if you're interested in that pair of shoes or any of the other pair of shoes we're pulling out of this box, check out my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. Oh, there's a loose pair in here, I didn't see them. So this is a Son of Mars in a size 11.5. I don't know what this colorway is, but it's actually kind of cool. It's got the midsole of a 5, it's got some cement like a 3. There's a lot of, it's like another one of those like kind of 6 rings or like Dub Zero type things, but it's some kind of grayish and blue colorway. It's pretty cool. It's got lace locks, it's very lightly worn. There's a Jumpman inside of there. The outsoles are a little bit discolored, but these are in great shape. It's just one of those Jordans that might not have a lot of money. I have something in my eye. There we go. Size 11.5, Son of Mars. Very cool. There's a lot of old Jordans in here. Oh, cool. All right, let's get this out of the way. We got a sample LeBron, that's pretty cool. A Nike Zoom Soldier 7 in a size 9. These are dead stock. I don't know if this is, no, it's not an ID because it would come in an ID box, but it's a sample LeBron Soldier 7, Zoom Soldier 7, whatever, in this like kind of yellow and greenish colorway. Does it say anything on it? Yeah, they're dead stock. There's some laces attached on this one. The inside of the tongue says number 10. I don't know if that signifies anything on this one too, but it is a size 9. It's a sample, so I don't know what the market on these are gonna be like. It's a cool looking shoe. I have limited places to sell them, so find them on the website if you're a size 9 and you like these. They'll be cheap. There you go, size 9, Zoom Soldier 7. Cool, those are neat. Y'all, the rest of this box is vintage Jordans. This is awesome. Bunch of face boxes. This first one is a Jordan 12 Retro in a size 10.5. Dude, cool. Got a retro card, pretty neat. All right, we got a pair of playoff 12s. These are the 2004, I want to say, release. So there is some discoloration on the tab on the medial and lateral sides. A little bit of outsole discoloration and wear, but these are, I mean, there's a full Jumpman inside of there for a shoe that's this old, and it's got the inserts. This is cool. I love getting these old shoes. If you guys saw my last video, the $900 box, there was a pair of 2000 metallic 5s, dead stock, which is pretty crazy. Here's this, it's 10.5 playoff 12s from 2004 with the original box. Cool. Another face box. We got a Jordan 11 Retro in a size 10.5. Dude. Retro card too. These are worn a little bit more because 11s obviously, but these are the Columbia 11s. Pretty heavy discoloration on the uppers and the outsoles. There's some scuffs and stuff along here. These are, when did these come out? Okay, 2000 or 2001, I was way off, but these are definitely old. Doesn't look like there's any separation on the soles, but just heavy discoloration. Very cool. Size 10.5. Need to be cleaned. Another vintage J. That's pretty cool. Columbia 11s. 2000 or 2001. I don't remember what year they came out. We got a size 10.5 Jordan 13. Dude, cool. These have a retro card too. These are worn, but very lately. These are the 2004 gray toes. Nah, 2004, 2005-ish, something like that. You'll notice there was a retro of the gray toe in 2014 and the red was a little bit less maroonish on here. So there is some bleeding on the suede. It's gonna happen. It's just an older shoe. Dang, these are cool. But there's, again, a full jump man in there. Just a little bit of outsole wear. Another older Jordan, and it's got, ooh, the retro card's bent, but it's got the retro card, so that's pretty cool. Size 10.5 again, so this must came from the same person. Two more in here, they're both face boxes. I love this, this is very cool. Another size 10.5, this is a Jordan 4. So these are from 2004 as well. Got some metallic green 4s. There's a little bit of cage discoloration and tongue discoloration. Pretty good amount of midsole paint cracking. And some air unit cloudiness, a little bit of star loss on the forefoot, but these are in good shape too. I mean, these are obviously older, so it's definitely one of those things you want to be very careful when you're wearing if you decide to wear these. This is very cool. I really, really enjoy this. They just released, I think, a 4-pack of these, retro kind of, and we only got the purple ones, I think, in North America, but very cool. 10.5, metallic green 4s. This box is really cool. And the last one is another face box. It's got a Finish Line sticker for $99.99. It's a Jordan 3 retro on a size 10.5. Retro card in here too. These are white cement Jordan 3s. So these have been worn pretty well. There's a lot of creasing on the toe box. Full Jumpman on the insole though, so that's pretty good. A little bit of star loss on the forefoot and a little bit of heel drag too. A little bit of outsole wear. Heel tab is definitely discolored. Got some cloudiness on the air unit, and there's definitely some midsole paint issues. I don't see any cracking, but there's probably going to be cracking. So no, 2003. Wow, I was way off. This is cool. These will, I'm hoping these will clean up really nicely because being able to bring some life back into these older pairs is something I really enjoy doing. So there's your last shoe, a size 10.5. White Cement 3 from 2003. This box was only $400 shipped. That's crazy to me. Like, I thoroughly enjoy what's in this box. But I do know that Sole Supremacy values older shoes a lot lower than a lot of people do just because they have lower wearability. Regardless, let's take a look at the breakdown. I don't know how much this box is going to be worth, but this is worth it to me because I love getting those old pairs. I'm going to clean them up, see how they turn out. If you want to buy them, they'll be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I really enjoyed this box big time. So let me know down below in the comments what you think if you like seeing some of these older pairs, because I know a lot of you actually do. So have a great weekend. See you next time. Until then, remember to take care of each other and make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. What is that? What did I just do? So bad at this. Hey, see you later. Bye!